In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do bank reconciliation with Zoho. Bank reconciliation is the process of matching what your bank says happened with what your books say happened, so you can be confident your balances are accurate. Before you begin, have your latest bank statement handy. You'll use the statement's closing balance and date to verify things as you go. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and head to the banking section. This is where all your connected and manually created bank and credit card accounts live. Pick the specific account you want to reconcile and make sure it's the right one for the statement you're holding. Open the settings icon for that account. This small gear gives you account level actions and preferences. Using the settings here ensures you're working inside the correct account and not changing anything globally across your books. From the settings menu, choose Reconcile Account. This takes you into Zoho's reconciliation workspace. Think of this as your control room for tying your statement to your bookkeeping records. If you've reconciled before, you may see past periods listed. That's helpful for confirming where you left off. Next, select Reconcile Now to begin a new reconciliation session. You're telling Zoho you're ready to work on the statement period you have in front of you. If you notice a previous period isn't completed, pause and resolve that first so your opening balances flow correctly into this one. When prompted, enter the closing balance exactly as it appears on your bank statement. This number is critical. It sets the target Zoho will reconcile against. While you're here, confirm the statement end date corresponds to that closing balance. Also glance at the opening balance shown by Zoho. It should match the prior period's ending balance. If it doesn't, that's a sign something earlier needs review before you proceed. Click Start Reconciliation to open the reconciliation view. You'll now see your transactions for the chosen period. The idea is simple. Clear the items that appear on your bank statement and leave out anything that hasn't actually hit the bank yet. As you review, watch the difference figure. It should move towards 0 as you match what's in your books to what cleared the bank. If you notice common items like service charges or interest that aren't in your books, make sure your records include them so the numbers align. Work methodically, use dates and amounts to confirm accuracy, and take your time. Once everything in the statement period is accounted for and the difference is 0, your reconciliation is complete for that period. Reconcile regularly, keep your statements organized, and you'll maintain clean, reliable financials in Zoho.